going to go through real quick 3 of my favorite resources for getting your hands on some royalty-free images. In other words, images that you don't have to pay for in order to use them for your blog. So the first one is backgrounds.mysiteMyWay.com. This website will give you a number of different website backgrounds. So if you have a website and it's just a plain, single color, you might want to consider having something with a little more texture to it. Now, what's really great about these images is that you just click on them and it shows you what the entire image would look like if you had it on your site. So all you have to do is, after you click on it, is just click download this image. And you can also go through and find different images based on different tags. Like this one is for tileable images. In other words, these are all images that if you were to use them, they would be small in size and then they would tile themselves automatically on your website. So that's very advantageous to do it that way. Another really great resource for finding images for your blog, say specifically for a blog post, is search.creativecommons.org. So if you wanted to, you just go here and click on Wikimedia Commons. This is the best way to do it. After you type in your search, and then you've got all these different items right here based on horse as the example. So there's lots and lots of images that you can use for horse, and these are all free to use. Again, if you were to go back and try Pixabay, Pixabay is a really great resource also for free images. Here are the free images for horses. Now the first layer here are all paid images, so you don't want these unless you want to pay for them. So these other ones are all free and available for you to use. And you can also, if you really had great difficulty trying to find images everywhere else and you weren't able to, like for example, you could try the OpenClip library, you could try Photopedia, you could use Google Images. If you try to use Google Images, make sure that this box here where it says labeled for reuse with modification is checked, and you should always make sure that you link just bookmark where you got that image from in case you're ever approached to say, hey, you're using an image you shouldn't be using. You can refer this back to them and say, hey, this is where I got the image from. It says that it's labeled for reuse with modification. I can use it commercially if I want. Now here's another really great resource for stock images. Now how to get to this is you go to headwaythemes.com and then you go to their blog. Once you're at their blog, you just scroll down until you get to where it says our top 9 best free stock images sites to get you started with blogging. You click on that and it shows you a number of different websites like Unsplash and Pixabay. I mentioned Pixabay before. Pixabay is searchable through search.creativecommons.org, so I would recommend you go that way instead of going just through the main website. Photopin, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. Some of these are ones that like they're primarily like this one here, this one, Dotspin. If you use Instagram and Twitter and you upload your images, you can hashtag them with Dotspins, hashtag Dotspin, and then people can vote on those images. So there's a number of different resources that you can access to get yourself some free images, and these are 3 really great ones. Thank you so much and have a great day.